Yep, this is the 24th video of me talking about whatever comes to my mind when I press or hit the record button. I was thinking of making these videos scripted, but I think if I speak what comes to my mind spontaneously, then I can test my English speaking skills with the thought and speech collaboration, if I'm able to explain it properly. My topic today is nature. I've been a blessed guy to born in such a good place where I can see greenery all over around. Look at this, and it makes you happy when you see the mountains, the greenery, forest and all natural stuff. Especially if there is no sign of human construction, it really makes you joyful, if I'm correct. And I've been lucky to born in such a place where I can climb mountains, I can hike, and I can enjoy the scenery very well. And as humans, we need space. We are meant to be taking up space. You can suffocate in a room with sufficient air if the room is colorless, if the room is small. You will feel depressed when you are provided with food, clothing, internet, everything, but you are trapped in a cell. That is why prisons are scary, not because the room is small, but the timing. You cannot go outside without the permission of the officer, right? That is the sad part. But if you are near a place where you can see miles and miles above, I should not say above, in front of you, in the back of you, please visit those places, perhaps every week. It's a nice experience.